It's a vibe thing. You like the vibes, yeah. It's a vibe thing. You like the vibe.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Shauna For Real, where I keep it real. You already know what it is. And your girl is back with another hair review video because I get bored of hair real quick, so I'm always buying and, you know, looking online. So this time I'm coming to you guys with a frontal and 3 bundles that I ordered off of Aliexpress from the vendor Tinashe here. So let's get into this review. Okay guys, so my package, yeah, it came by, oh my God, it came by FedEx. So let's open this. Okay. This is what it came in, the 3 bundles with the frontal. This is the packaging. So, let's look at the frontal first because that's what I'm most like. I'm trying something new. I'm trying to do a frontal. I did one before, but that was like a little while ago and I didn't know nothing really about it. So now I'm trying it. Now, so I got this in I got 3 bundles of 14 inches and I got the closure in 12 inches. In deep wave, guys. So, taking it out the net, of course. This is the frontal. The curls are really pretty. You can tell like when you wet it, it's gonna have that nice like wet and wavy look. Because when I was looking at people's reviews in the comments, like the hair was boom. The pictures they had. But yeah, this is it. The lace is like a tan. I don't know if you guys can see that. Probably good. It's good. You can probably bleach the knots later. I'm definitely have to bleach the knots. You can see. But yeah, closure looks good. I don't know much about frontals though. That's the only. I keep saying closure. I just took that in. I'm supposed to be saying frontal. It looks like it's kind of pre-plucked. Like it has a natural like hairline. If you can see, it's thin right here and then it gets thick here and then it comes with these little baby hairs at the front. So probably will be easier for me to work with. I'm going to be making this into a wig. The hair is really soft. Let's see if it sheds. I got 1 strand, but we'll see when we wash it and we wear it for a while. So this is the frontal. Looks pretty good. 12 inches. It's a little bit short though. I guess like it's 12 inches curled wise, not stretched. Like it's, or does that make sense? No, it's 12 inches stretched, not curled. So it's a little bit short, but it's okay. Kind of tired of long hair, so I'm trying to like, you know, go a little bit shorter. But I did 14 inches with the bundles, but this shit looks like 10. This is mad short, like mad short. This is the bundles. Comes in a net as well. I'm gonna take off the net. Ta-da. So it's really thick. They have really thick bundles, as you can see. It says unprocessed natural hair, beauty start from natural hair, whatever. 100% virgin, dye, bleach, and perm. I don't get why you would perm this, but I guess it's just their brand or quality of the hair. But yeah, this is it. You can tell when this is wet, it's gonna look super nice, but this is mad short. Like, it's gonna be really short, but that's cool. It's cool. Let's do a shed test again. Oh, damn, like, hold on, I don't know. I just pulled it once and this is all the hair that came out, guys. Oh, it fell. I don't know if you can see all that. That's a lot of hair. Let's try again. Even though all hair sheds, so don't let them tell you anything different. Like, I guess because it's curly, I expect more shedding from curly hair anyway, so yeah, that's kind of a lot. Like, are you seeing all this? Like, that's a lot. Anyway, so yeah guys, it's pretty much the hair. But so what I got was the 3 bundles of 14 inch and I keep getting out of camera guys, but I got 3 bundles of the 14 inch and I got a 12 inch closure and everything. It was actually a pretty good deal. Everything was $124 because I used like a coupon for like $2 off or something. But everything was $124 for all 4 pieces. So I think that is pretty good. So I'm going to be making a wig out of this and I'll probably film that video because I haven't made a frontal wig in like a couple years actually. But I'm going to try a thing, you know, try to slay them baby hairs, try to make it look natural because now I'm seeing all these people with their frontals and I'm like, oh my god, it looks so bomb. Tired of closures. Like, I like closures, don't get me wrong, but frontals, I feel more like, you know, more natural. You can flip it over there, flip it over there, do what you want, honey. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Tinashe hair. That is where I got it from on AliExpress. It's a vendor on AliExpress. and I got the deep wave. I will also put the link down below so you guys can check out that hair if you want to check it out. That is it, guys, for this hair review slash unboxing video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Go on their Aliexpress page or whatever. Go check out the hair. The hair looks pretty good for now. I'll also do another update video like I did with the other one after I've worn it for a little bit, and then I'm gonna try to do the making up the wig video, so stay tuned for that. But that's all, guys, and if you're new, you know what to do. Subscribe down below, hit that thumbs up, and keep on watching more of my videos. Hey. Anyway, peace out, guys.